In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add related products in Shopify. Log in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in the dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click Online Store. This opens the theme area for your store. On your current theme, click Edit Theme. The theme editor will open and you'll see a live preview of your storefront, usually starting on the home page. Now go to the page selector at the top center of the editor. It will most likely say Home Page. Click that drop-down, then choose Products. After that, click Default Product. The preview will switch from the home page to a sample product page, and this is where you'll work with the default product template used by your store. In the left sidebar, scroll down through the sections that are already part of the product template. Look for a section called Related Products. If you already see that section listed, click it to select it. Once selected, the preview updates and shows a row of product cards at the bottom of the product page. This section is what will display the related items to shoppers. With related products selected, move to the settings panel for that section. Find the heading field. Check the current text and if needed, change it so it says, "You may also like." Say the words naturally as you type them. You, then may, then also, then like. This is the title customers will see above the related product row. Next, find maximum products to show. Set that to the number you want. In these instructions, 4 is used as the default. Enter 4 in that field or use the selector to adjust it to 4. This controls how many related products can appear in the section at one time. Then locate the setting called Enable Quick Add button. Turn that on if it is not already enabled. This adds a quick add option directly on the related product card so customers can place an item into the cart from that area. After those settings are in place, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This stores the changes you just made to the product template section. Next, you need to open the Search and Discovery app. In the left sidebar of Shopify, click Search and Discovery. If you do not have that app yet, install it from the Shopify App Store first, then return and open it from the sidebar. When it opens, you'll land on the Search and Discovery dashboard. From the left sidebar inside the app, click Recommendations. This is where Shopify manages product recommendations. At the top right, click Add Recommendation. The recommendations screen opens, and if you scroll down to the Add Related Products area, you'll notice some recommendations may already be auto-filled. That means Shopify has already generated some related items automatically. Under Select a Product, click Browse on the right side. A product picker opens so you can choose the main product you want to assign related products to. In the list, find the product you want. Click the checkbox beside that product to select it. Once the correct product is checked, go to the bottom right and click Add. This attaches that product to the recommendation setup so you can control what appears in the related products section. The related products you choose here will work together with any automatically generated recommendations that are already shown in the app. At this point, the main setup is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now the You May Also Like section on your product page will display the related products you selected, along with any auto-generated recommendations filling the remaining slots. Customers visiting that product page will be able to browse those related items directly from the product page layout, and the section will appear using the heading and display settings you saved in the theme editor.